Yo, Johnny, pick
Reset my
NCS
buzzer.
for 400.
Yeah, NCS for 400.
NCS for 400. Who and what is the sound?
Oh.
What? Okay, Stella Gert.
Play it again?
Alright, sure.
What?
Yeah, from now on, I'll just play it again whenever you ask. It doesn't matter.
That's a hiccup, bro.
Stella Gert.
Okay. Who is Zoe? And what is her second cue?
That's incorrect.
Okay,
Aw,
that
man.
sounded so legit.
Marty
though,
Gert.
Holy shit.
Yo, this actually does sound like Zoe. What is Zoe and her walking? I don't know.
That is incorrect. Phytologia?
Est-ce que c'est Pugmo?
No, that is
Le
incorrect.
chien?
That is incorrect. That's a good guess though. The Pugma. That's a
bad
good
guess.
guess. Yeah, a good guess.
Not-
But
yeah.
no,
Low
Mikey.
key, low key.
I guess.
What is who is Zoe, and what is? Do it again. Fuck, wait, they already picked the two best answers for this.
6-7.
Okay, who is Zoe and what is her like auto attack or something?
That's incorrect. Niku.
Okay. What is Zoe? Empowered auto attack.
No, that's incorrect.
Okay, give us
Give
a
a hint.
hint.
C'est juste hop, skip, jump.
Okay, I'll give you the hint is that it is Zoe. That is correct.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright, go ahead, Niku.
It's when she comes back from her ult.
Give it to me.
No, I don't. No, that's not.
Who is Zoe and what is her going into her ult?
Yeah. Wait.
Get
Wait.
wrecked, Nicolas!
C'est pas de points, c'est pas de points.
Yeah,
so
that's true.
bravo.
Yeah, that's true. I just realized. But yeah, it's her.
What?
It's
We
her.
don't get points?
It's her.
Oh.
No, that's fair.